Hello friends, welcome back to the mini video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today when we are going to talk about this Poco phone setting guys, and today friends I am going to show you guys how to solve screen rotate problem on Poco phone device. Friends, you have guys your screen rotate problem. So how to solve screen rotate problem on Poco phone in this video friends I am going to show you guys. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel guys, click the bell icon, like the video guys. So when first of all guys, we will on guys Poco phone setting to solve guys screen rotate problem. Friends, after on phone setting, friends, you can see this type of interface. So my how to solve screen rotate problem on Poco phone device. Friends, we will click on guys Poco phone. Then display brightness guys, you can solve this problem, and friends, I will show you one more method. Then guys, you can solve. First friends, you can solve auto rotate problem from here guys. Tap here, your problem will solve. Friends, you can see you can use guys any app without the screen rotate. Friends, screen will not rotate automatic. Second friends, you want to rotate your screen, so friends click on display setting, and we will on it. Friends, you can see screen will rotate automatic guys. Automatic screen rotate. And guys, second method guys, how to solve a screen rotate problem. Friends, you can solve from your phone accessibility setting guys. Where is accessibility setting? Friend, first click on additional setting. Then guys click on accessibility setting. As you can see accessibility setting is last guys, this physical setting is touch and hold setting is power button to end calls, time to take action setting, auto rotate setting is here. Friends, you will have to click on this blue icon, tap here guys, your problem will solve. You can use your phone any app like YouTube, WhatsApp, Instagram guys, any app friends, you can check your screen will not rotate automatic on your Poco phone device guys. So friends, like that guys, we can solve auto rotate screen problem. And guys, one more option. Friends, click on phone search option, get direct and search your auto setting guys. Auto setting means you can see auto rotate screen, and friends you can solve your auto rotate problem. So guys, three step guys you can solve guys your auto rotate problem. First, display setting. Second guys, additional setting, accessibility setting, and third guys, search bar. So bye guys, thanks for watching the video.